Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll simplify this root of 0.04 into 0.4. This multiplied with a, which is equal to 0.4 into 0.04 into root b. And then we have to find the value of a by b. See, root sign is here given. This is under root sign. So we'll take square root on both the sides. So squaring both the sides, what you will get? We'll square this side, so this root sign will get cancels with the square, so this will become 0.04 into 0.4. This is multiplied with a, which is equal to square of this term, 0.4 into 0.04 into root b, and this square. So this will remain as it is, and this term will become 0.4 square into 0.04 square, and this root sign will get cancelled with the square, so this will become b. Now we have to find the value of a by b, so we'll bring this b to this side. This is with the multiplication sign. When it will come to the left hand side, it will become division, so a by b is equal to, this will keep as it is. Now we'll bring this term to the right hand side. This is with the multiplication sign. When it will come to the right hand side, it will become division. So this will become 0.04 into 0.4. Now this 1.4 will cancel with this 0.4, and this one term will cancel with this square. So it will become a by b. This is equal to 0.4 into 0.04. Now we'll multiply. 4 4s are 16. Decimal after 3 digits, 1, 2, and this is 3. So they do 2 terms only. So we'll put 1 0 here and decimal after this. So it will become 0.016.